Okay, my name is Allyssa Romero. I'm going to be doing problem 3 from the homework 4.7 for calc. And the problem states a rectangular bird sanctuary is being created with one side along a straight river bank. The remaining 3 sides are to be enclosed with a protective fence. There is 12 kilometers of fence available. Find the dimension of the rectangle to maximize the area of the sanctuary. So I'm going to draw out a picture to kind of open up our eyes to see what's going on exactly. So we'll say these smaller sides are our y's and these larger sides are our x's. Well, one of them is going to be along a river bank, so you don't have to worry about this one. Well, the perimeter is originally 2x plus 2y. Well, you don't need this x, so it's just going to be x plus 2y. And you have 12 kilometers of fence. So we're going to set that as our perimeter because that's exactly what the outside is going to be equal to. And then we're going to write out the rest of our equation and we're going to solve for x. So what we're going to get is 12 minus 2y equals x. Okay, and then next thing we want to know is our area, because how we solved for x, area is x times y. Well, since we solved for x, we can plug in that equation. We're going to get 12 minus 2y, and then we have to multiply it by our other y. So what we get is 12y minus 2y squared. And how we get that is by distributing the y to the other parts of the equation. So now we're going to solve for the first derivative of the area. So it's a1. And since this doesn't have a exponent, it's just going to be 12. And then you're going to move the exponent towards the 2. So it's going to be minus 4y. And then you're going to solve for y. So you're going to set that equal to 0. And you get positive 4y on the other side by negative 4. No, positive, yeah. By adding 4y to both sides equals 12. So you can divide by 4, and then those cancel out, and then divide the 12 by 4, and that equals 3. And how we're going to finish this off is we're going to plug in our y to this equation, because we already know what y is, but we need to find out what x is. So it's going to be 12 minus 2 times our y, which is 3, equals x. So we're going to get 12 minus 6 equals x, which is 6 equals x. So our answer is the y's. These two sides equal 3, and then one side is going to have to equal 6 to have a perimeter of 12 kilometers and maximize the area inside.